As the temperatures begin to rise, it's important to make sure that your air conditioning is in good working order. An air conditioner is not just a luxury, it's a necessity, especially during hot weather. It's important to have your AC serviced regularly to ensure it works efficiently and effectively. Regular AC service can help you avoid costly repairs and replacements down the road. A properly serviced air conditioner can help to reduce your energy bills by keeping your home cool with less effort. It also helps to improve the air quality in your home, which can reduce the risk of allergies and respiratory problems. At our AC service company, we understand the importance of maintaining your air conditioning unit. Our team of trained professionals are here to help you with all of your AC service needs. We use state-of-the-art equipment to diagnose and repair any issues with your AC unit. Our services include air conditioner installation, maintenance, and repairs. We use only the highest quality parts and equipment to ensure that your AC unit runs smoothly for years to come. We take pride in our work, and we strive to provide exceptional customer service to every client. If you are looking for reliable and affordable AC service, look no further than Kridovia Care. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the best service possible. Let us help you keep your home cool and comfortable all summer long. Thank you for considering Kridovia Care, the best AC service provider in India. Please call us on +918447698428.